Meet Emma. Emma works hard. She earns a good salary. She follows every rule. At the end of each month, she opens her paycheck and feels confused. A large part of her money is gone before she even touches it. Taxes, social contributions, fees. Emma thinks, that's just how life works. But there is something she was never taught. Long ago, governments needed money for wars and public projects, so they created income tax. At first, only the very rich paid it. But the rich understood something important. If they played by the same rules forever, they would lose their wealth. So they created a solution. They created corporations, not only as businesses, but as legal tools. Corporations earn money first, they spend money first, and they pay taxes last. Employees do the opposite. They earn money, they get taxed immediately, and only then they are allowed to spend what remains. Emma works for a company, but she does not own one. That means she pays tax first and lives on what is left. Business owners play a different game. They use companies to invest, to grow, to protect their income. This does not mean the system is evil. It means the system was designed by people who understood it. School taught Emma how to be a good worker, but it never taught her how the system works. It never taught her how money flows, how taxes shape behavior, how businesses protect wealth. The real lesson is not, don't pay taxes. The real lesson is, learn the rules of the game, because people who understand the system don't fight it, they use it. So the real question is, are you only playing the role of an employee inside the system? Or are you learning how the system works so it can work for you? If this idea made you stop and think, then you are in the right place. On this channel, we take ideas from books and translate them into real life. Subscribe if you want to think differently about money, work, and freedom.